The next one is the drop-down field. This field allows you to add multiple options for the users to choose from. The options are presented in the drop-down format. After you insert this field, go to the field options. Here, you can change the label, description, and also add as many options as you wish for the drop-down field. By default, you can see that there are 3 options. So to add more options, click on the plus button, and to delete it, you can choose on the cross icon. Also, you can choose between allowing the field option to have single selection or the multiple selection from here. So with this, you can allow your users to choose only one option among drop-down options or pick the multiple ones. Further, if you want to add many options in the drop-down, then you can do it at once with the bulk add option. So when you click on the bulk add option, you'll be directed to the bulk add option input section. For the bulk add, you can simply copy and paste the option from any file you want, or you can simply add the options by clicking on the presets. Here, it will show you a list of category which has the predefined options, so you can directly add it from here. And lastly, you can manually type them by breaking the lines. After you are done adding the options, simply click on this button called Add New Choices. Next, you can also click this option called Enable Enhanced Select. So this option enables you to search items in the drop-down. Here, you can also enable the tooltip option. So if you want to know about this option, you can check out our separate video on it. Now under the advanced option, you can make further changes as per your requirement. You can also choose the field visibility to keep your field either on read-only or the hidden option. So to get a clear picture, here you can see what it looks like on a front end. So when you choose on read only, the field will be visible like this. And if you choose the hidden option, the field will remain hidden. And lastly, you can also enable the conditional logic for the field.